In this intro, we discover the basics of custom services. Custom services offer open options for automating data flows and business logic using development and modeling tools. Custom services also provide high orchestration capabilities to compose basic services into value-added business features. They can be invoked from applications, web pages, email, mobile devices using Internet protocols, or directly from integration or custom services. This intro will pass through 3 examples. The first one to illustrate reuse and service enablement of existing software assets and how to invoke custom services using Internet protocols. The second example will illustrate how custom services can mirror infrastructure, service, and application cloud application programming interfaces through the example of Salesforce.com. The third example will illustrate how to compose basic services to deliver greater value-added business features. To create custom services, you start by creating projects. In the source code section under project, we can create packages to organize code and export the project. In the services section, you can create services. In the resources section, you can add libraries, documentation to your project. Let's create a package to store the barcode generator service class. We access the development environment where we can develop the barcode generator service class that uses a Java library that we add as a resource. We can compile and save our project. Then we create a service getBarcode that uses the barcode generator service class. Now the service is ready for publishing. We create a version and we execute a test. Now the service is ready for going online. We create a pipeline. We associate the service to it and we add a valid HTTP user authorized to access the service. You only need to publish the pipeline to make the service available for invocation. In the second example, we'll discover how we can mirror cloud application programming interfaces. To mirror Salesforce application programming interface, you just need to provide the web service descriptor location and the platform will generate web service clients for you. You can explore and reuse objects across services to get data in and out of Salesforce.com. In this third example, we'll discover how to create complex data flows around the service mirroring an existing web data source. The modeler provides a rich gallery of components to use when designing data flows, including readers for text files, Excel, XML industry standards and generic, EDI documents, table, query and JSON, writers for writing text, Excel, XML, EDI, documents and tables, the XML adapter to define the transformation logic between data sources and targets, senders for sending data using multiple communication protocols like FTP, email, application statement 2 and HTTP, utilities for conditioning data flows, generic for embedding or proxying services, and the connector to connect components. The service Get Today's Market Headlines provide an XML file. We need to integrate its contents into a database and transform it to Excel before sending it to using FTP. So we'll use the XML adapter component to handle transformation logic with the FTP sender. Design the data flow. We double-clicking the XML adapter will open a layout where we'll design transformation logic between source and target data. See you next demo.